Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked with data in Google Sheets, maybe for a school project, a business task, or even just tracking the weather, you know that finding the range of a set of numbers can really help you understand the bigger picture. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to find the range in Google Sheets using a super practical example, a week's worth of temperature readings. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to quickly calculate the range for any data set, making your data analysis much more insightful and straightforward. Let's dive right in with a concrete example. Imagine you have a simple table that records daily temperatures for a week. Now, each day from Monday right through to Sunday has its own temperature listed. For example, on Monday it's 22 degrees C, Tuesday is a bit warmer at 25 degrees C, Wednesday cools off to 20 degrees C. On Thursday, things heat up to 27 degrees C, then Friday drops back a little to 23 degrees C. Saturday gets nice and toasty at 26 degrees C, and finally Sunday is a cool 21 degrees C. This is the kind of real-world data anyone might record, whether you're managing a science experiment, keeping tabs on your local climate, or just curious about daily weather patterns. So why would you want to find the range of these temperatures? The range is simply the difference between the highest and lowest values in your dataset. It gives you a quick sense of how much the temperatures vary over the week. For instance, a big range means there was a lot of fluctuation, while a small range suggests things stayed pretty steady. Understanding the range helps you spot variability, which is super valuable in fields like science, finance, and business. Okay, here's how you figure it out in Google Sheets. First, look at your temperature data. Let's say it's organized in column B from cell B2 to B8 with each cell corresponding to a different day of the week. Now, click into a blank cell where you want the answer to appear. This could be at the bottom of your data or off to the side, wherever makes the most sense for you. Here comes the magic part. In that blank cell, type this formula, equals max B2 B8 min B2 B8 and press enter. Pause a moment to let Google Sheets do its thing. What's happening here is pretty cool. In one simple step, you're telling Sheets to find the highest number in your list, that's the max part, then subtract the lowest number, the min part. The result gives you the range. For our example, that means Sheets will look for the warmest day of the week and the coolest day, then tell you exactly how many degrees apart they were. If Thursday was the warmest at 27 degrees C and Wednesday the coolest at 20 degrees C, your range would be 27 minus 20, which is 7 degrees. This simple calculation packs a punch. It instantly summarizes your week's temperature swings. If you're working with larger datasets or maybe data that's not as neatly organized, the same approach applies. Just make sure you adjust the cell range in the formula to match your own data. And don't worry if you get an error the first time. Double check that you didn't include any empty cells or text that can sometimes trip things up. And there you have it. Calculating the range in Google Sheets is that easy, but it gives you a powerful insight into your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button, and if you have any questions or want to see more Google Sheets tricks, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.